Most of you have the challenge of knowing where to have your entry levels, your stop loss levels, and your take profit levels. So here today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to have a good entry level, a good stop loss level, and a good take profit level. So let's assume that I want to take a trade on step index, right? We have done our analysis, we've gotten our buyers and view on this index, and we are looking at for where to get our entry level, right? Let's say we have analyzed this index and we have this prediction that this index is going to buy, right? We've identified our level and we know very well that this is the supposed to buy level, a level we should look at for buy opportunities on. Most traders would want to force the market to a downside by selling at this point instead of waiting patiently for price to sell to this level so they can buy from their identified buy level to the upside. They can't stay patient enough to wait for price to sell to their buy level or for price to buy to their sell level. So this should be our buy zone. We have to wait patiently for price to sell to this level. We stay off the chart and monitor the market from time to time to know when price has gotten to our buy level to get into the trade. So after price might have gotten to our buy level, we are ready to place our stop loss level. Let's say we had our entry point at this level, our entry point here, right? Let's change the color of these and make it more specific. Let's make it green, right? Let's say we got our entry point here on this green line. Where should our stop loss level be? Our stop loss level should be below this last. Our stop loss level should be below this last. Our stop loss level should be below this last swing low the market formed. And here's the last swing low at this point. So our stop loss level should be at this zone. So let's say we have our stop loss at this point. Let's change the color of this to red to make it more clear. Yeah, our stop loss level would be at this point basically. Right, our stop loss level would be below this last swing low. Let's zoom in so you can see this clearly. This should be our stop loss level. Then where should our first TP level be? You can see that at this point we got a level. Price pushed up to this point, so to the downside. Pushed up to this same level, so to the downside. The same thing happened at this point the third time, price so to the downside. So this should tell us that we have an important level at this point. So this should be, and currently price is still reacting on this same level. So we're likely to get price react on this level if price is to sell to the downside. If you are to get our buys from this level, right? If price can buy from this point, you're likely to get a reaction from this same level. So let's identify this level as well. Let's make this blue, right? Let's make this blue. Change the color of these, make it blue. So you're likely to get price react on this same level again. So this should be our first TP level, and it's advisable to have multiple take profit levels so you can be able to take partials in a trade. If you have about 5 positions, in those 5 positions, the first 2 trades should be your first TP level. Your second TP level should be the third position. Then your last TP level should be the last 2 positions. Right, so our first TP level would be on this blue line. So where should our second TP level be? Our second TP level should be at this last highs the market formed. We got this last highs, this point price got to and reversed back to the downside. That should be our third TP level, sorry, second TP level basically. Our second TP level, our entry level here, let's not forget this green line, our stop loss level on the red line, and our first TP level here, second TP level at this point. So where should our last TP level be? When we zoom out on the chart on the higher time frame, we can be able to identify a level or a point at which price reacted on. So we got a level basically at this point. We have a level at this point. We can tell that we got multiple market reaction on this level as a resistance. So if price is to get to this same level, you're likely to get price react on this level as a resistance. So this should be our last TP level on this trade. You can see that we got first reaction on this level as a resistance. Let's identify it here. Resistance here. I don't think that's the first reaction. We got reaction on this level basically as a support. Firstly on this level as a support here, right? Support on this level as well. Support here. Multiple market reaction on this level as a support. Support at this zone. Support here. Resistance at this point. Resistance at this point. Resistance at this level. Resistance here. Resistance at this zone. Right, resistance here as well, resistance here as well, and a support at this point. So we're likely to get market react on the same level as a resistance. So this should be our last target level. So after getting our first and second TP smash, what are we to do? we have to move our stop loss above our entry, which is called break even. We have to break even the trade, right, to stay safe in the trade after getting the first and second TP smashed. In most cases, after getting your first TP smashed, you move your stop loss above your entry to be safe in the trade. Because even if price is to reverse back to the downside, even if price is to reverse direction, you not get stopped out in a loss. So that's why I have my entry point, my stop loss levels, and my take profit levels. I work alongside with the market levels and zones, the point at which price reacted on those important levels on the charts. So that's it, guys. Smash the like button for more teachings like this and drop a good comment on this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new to the channel. To my returning viewers, I appreciate the support for engaging in my videos. It really means a lot, guys. Let's do more and do have an free day.